PS5. Looking like a skybox. What the fuck is that? Is that fucking router? Yo, these guys are violating it.
Sony finally revealed what the PlayStation 5 looks like. The PS5 console includes a white and black design to match the new controller that will be included in the box. The PS5 stands vertically and will include two versions, one with a 4K Blu-ray drive and a pure digital edition. Earlier this year, Sony revealed the DualSense PS5 controller, which includes a slew of impressive sounding features like adaptive triggers and a built-in mic. Its radically different look and space-age black and white color scheme turned out the PS5 design. Now, talking about its specifications, the PS5 is rocking an AMD Zen 2 based CPU with 8 cores at 3.5 GHz, 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and a custom RDNA 2 AMD GPU. Not only that, it will also have ray tracing, a super fast SSD, a built-in 4K Blu-ray player. Now, talking about the launch date, the company confirmed its global launch in October to December. And talking about the price of this product, it will cost around $500 or roughly 37,900 Indian rupees. So, did you like this product? Do comment down your reviews, and if you liked this video, do put a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from the Techno Brothers. Signing off for today. See you in the next video. Bye.
You